everyone, if you are into the college, so this video is for you. On this video I'm going to tell you some benefit of using LinkedIn. So start with the first benefit. So if you are new to the college, so one of the best and easiest way to connect with your senior is LinkedIn. You can have the professional communication in between your senior, and you will be the first one who will be able to connect with your senior. So that's one of the best benefit of using LinkedIn. Second, connecting with seniors is not only thing. You can connect with the people who are working in a real industry work. So like if you are doing mechanical engineering and you want to know what the real life problem they solve in the industry, so you can go to the LinkedIn and search for the mechanical engineer, and you can direct message to him, like asking about what are the pay, salary, and what are the skills to be needed to work at that position. So this is the another benefit of using LinkedIn. If I talk about third benefit of using LinkedIn, so if you want to get to update about the opportunities in the industry, so you have to use, even like this is must condition, you have to use LinkedIn, so that the people working in some industries, people working in some company, if they want if they want to recruit someone, so they can upload, yeah, they can post it into the LinkedIn, so that people will get update on the opportunities. Another than this, so the fourth point is similar to the third point, like you can direct message to the HR, the recruiter, so that you can, what you can do is like you can get hired at first position. So if I talk about the fourth point, so if you are a freelancer and want some clients, so what you can do is like, this is the simplest way to get client is the LinkedIn. So there are some other websites like Fiverr, Upwork. So what you can do is like there you can go there, but there is a lot of competition. You have to upgrade your rating. So other than this, like you can go to the LinkedIn and you can direct message to the your prospect and show them the demo. This is one of the easiest way of getting client. Like for me it was very easy. I am a video editor, so what I did, like I edit a video for a YouTube channel and show them what I have edited for them. So I got first client through LinkedIn. So getting client is one of the reason you can use LinkedIn. And if I talk about the last part, so if you continuously use LinkedIn, you will get to know like your LinkedIn work as a your CV. You will upload every your achievement on LinkedIn and mention every your experience and past experience into the LinkedIn. So that becomes an CV kind of thing. So LinkedIn becomes must for every college student. So that's for this video. Thank you.